Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this trending space particles effect using only CapCut. No extra apps, no plugins. It's super easy and aesthetic edit you can finish in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then just import your video clip like this. The one that you want to edit. Next, we are going to add the space particle footage like this. You can find this type of video easily on the internet or social media, like just search for space particle overlay or galaxy dust video and many more. And the one I'm using here I actually found on TikTok a while ago. And then now, once you have added the space particle, make the main video into an overlay like this, and then just place it on top a particle space video like this, and then just crop the clip into a square ratio. For example like this. And then just adjust the size. Go to transforms. And then adjust the durations. And then just repeat the same step for all your clips. And okay, for example like this. Now let's make it move. Just tap on each clip and then go to animations. Like this. Search for Waltzer. This one, just tap on it. And then just apply it to all clips, and then this will give a smooth and flowy motions that match perfectly with a space theme. And okay, like this, when everything's done, just try to play your video. Your video will look like this. Like this. Now you have got this stunning space particle effect edit. You can just do further edit, like add a music background, or maybe adjust the color grading it a bit, or add a glow filter to make it more dynamic, and many more. Just feel free to edit your video. And okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.